So passenger left behind their half-drinking bottle of water, and Black Hood Taxi dared me to drink it. No. There's backwash in there. Let's give it to a tree, because I'm sure the trees don't care about backwash. But what I am going to show you in this video is how you can repurpose this and create like your own little spray cleaner to keep in your car to clean up things in the car. Let's do this. So there you go, folks. I turned a water bottle into an all-purpose cleaner. So I found the recipe on BuzzFeed. So you can use this to clean your dashboard, to clean the nooks and crannies. I'm actually going to try it right now. And I have like a microfiber towel. I'm going to spray a little bit. I'm going to spritz a little bit. If it's open. There you go. And I'm going to just clean here. I don't mind the smell of vinegar, but I'm just cleaning a little bit around here in my cubby hole. Clean the dash a little bit. It's pretty cool. So here you go. This is the DIY car cleaner. I found the recipe on BuzzFeed. I'll link it below. And it's just good. It's just a good non-toxic all-purpose cleaner for your car that you can use to wipe up the little spills. I don't know about leather, although, you know, it says it's non-toxic, but I'll research that about leather. But this is good for cleaning the dash, some spots on the outside of your car, bird duty, your windows, and you have a microfiber towel or a regular paper towel. So there you go, folks. If you found value in this video, give it a like. Subscribe to this channel. I'll be uploading once a week about my experiences as a black car driver. Thanks for stopping by, folks. My name is Minna. I am the Black Car Babe. I'll see you next week. Cheers. Bye.